afternoon. This is John McNally from McNally Yacht Sales. We're down here at Lake Worth near the Sailing Club in Rybovich. We're on board a Leopard 53 PowerCat today. It's a beautiful day, and I'm going to give you a little quick video of the exterior, and then stay tuned for the interior video that I'll do next. So you can see we're standing up on the Flybridge. There's the most important grill to cook up those mahi that you catch. There's a nice settee here with a table, drink holders. Turn around, and here's the helm station. Got two chart plotters there, Ray Marine. Got a fusion radio. You can see the FLIR night vision and the ACR and the thruster. Also has a dock mate with a joystick control remote. You can see all the other controls here, VHF radio, there's the dual throttles. Got great vision up here of the bow. You can see the little seats up there. Seating area here, more drink holders. A refrigerator and a ice maker. Nice little lounge here, stylish. Fishing pole holders. Big lounging area, hard top. There's some instrumentation, there's the radar and the antennas, GPS, starlight. Very cool. And we'll walk down to the, there you can see the life raft. Always need to know where that is. Go downstairs, check out the cockpit. You can see there's one of the hatches for the starboard engine. Swim platform, nice and wide, easy to get in and out of the boat. Cool dinghy lift. Go to the other side, you can see the nice settee in the cockpit. Got the hatch open on this side, you can see the engine. Big old Yanmar. Very nice. You can see the fuel filters, the battery banks, chiller, fire extinguisher. Super nice. Big, nice, easy to get around. So yeah, there's swim platform with the ladder, folding ladder. Super nice. Walk back over here. We'll go forward. Check it out. Nice wide side decks. Handle. High option. Cool custom lighting. Another lounging area. Very cool feature. These two hatches up here, the big ones, are nice huge storage areas. And this is the anchor, windlass. Nice and out of the way. And a very cool door, forward door to the salon. Wow. Check it out. It's fantastic. More lounging cushions, drink holders, hatches. These are little storage, more storage. This is a hatch to the cabin. Same thing over there. Nice big cleats on both sides. And there you have it. That's the exterior of the Leopard 53 PowerCat. It's John McNally signing off. Give me a call if you're interested. 561-262-3672. Thank you.